Yep, ladies and gentlemen, this is the tow truck that's going to help the other tow truck. In the event that y'all wreck and fall in a ditch, do not call the damn tow truck company. They are sliding around too. Oh, this shit is funny. Man, if this mug hit Esley car, he is gonna lose it. Yep. One tow truck helps another. Not to mention, they have taken out my neighbor's fence. I don't think she's going to be too happy about that when she wakes up. Maybe they're the same company. Just maybe. Gots to be more careful. I ought to be asleep sitting here getting this good action. Yep. Alright, that's all, folks. One tow truck. Let's give y'all a better view. Well, maybe not really. One tow truck helps another. This is the scene at my house. See the ground? Icy.